Last night we had severe winds. Look what he's done to my plants. Come and have a look. I mean, it's got blown rubbish everywhere. So I'm gonna have to clean all of this mess up. But look what he's done to my tomato plants. It's damaged it. It's fallen to the ground. Unbelievable. There were some nice juicy red ones in there as well. Everything is at an angle now, and if it's not at an angle, it's on the ground. How on earth am I gonna fix this? The chili plants, they've survived the severe winds. Unfortunately, the other patch of tomato plants, they haven't. Look, absolutely annihilated, all destroyed. I am absolutely gutted. Can't believe this has happened. Yeah, I just need to make sure next year that I put in proper support system, because I'm sure next year we'll have severe winds again. This guy managed to survive. Well done to you. But yep, these are gone. Luckily, some of these survived. Oh, these beef tomatoes are looking really good, especially that one. Unfortunately, these bad boys, they didn't fare so well. I've been struggling to get my head around how I'm gonna repair the damage. So what I've decided to do is call it a day. Come back tomorrow, fresh mind, fresh approach, fresh attitude, and try and see what I can do. So guys, I'm gonna leave you for now. Come back tomorrow and try and resolve this. See you all guys then. Take care. Bye bye. It's a new day. It's a new beginning. It's a new approach. The sun is out. Welcome to Allotment 25. I've come back today to try and sort this problem out. It's still slightly windy, but let me just remind you, that's the tomato plant that's been snapped in half by the wind. And if you look here, literally these plants, I think there's about 3 or 4 of them. They are on the ground. Let me show you the other ones as well. These ones took heavy damage. They are literally all over the place. Like I said, this one seems to survive. But yeah, these ones didn't fare too well. So today, I need to do some repair work. I've bought some new bamboo sticks. These are slightly longer and thicker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the new bamboo sticks in there, and hopefully that'll be sufficient strength to hold these guys up next time if there's strong winds. I'm gonna do that later, but for now, let me go back to these ones here. And what I've decided, let me just move this. These ones, I don't think I can save them. Look, it's coming out from the roots. So I've decided the best thing to do with these ones is if I just take them out of the ground, and I'll harvest whatever tomatoes are on there. Okay, let's try and dig this out without causing any more damage to anything else. Let's give it a try. Very strong roots. very deep as well. But we can get there. I mean, look at this bamboo. It has literally snapped here. Unbelievable. Imagine how strong the winds was to be able to do something like that. I mean, I'm struggling to do this, yet the wind had no problem snapping it in half. Just shows man versus nature. Nature always wins. I think that's enough. I should be able to just pull it out now. There we go. Look how deep the bamboo was, guys. And still it snapped. That's one done. Okay, let's attempt the second one now. The angle isn't great for me, if I'm being honest. I've got so many tomato plants. Getting there is not easy, but we have to try. It's amazing. The roots have gone so deep. The bamboo is deep as well, and yet the wind was able to do the damage that it did. Just need to loosen the soil. As you can tell, it's not easy. I wonder if I can just pull it out now. Yep, got it. Wow, a lot of roots. And again, look at that, how deep the bamboo was. So that's 1 and 2. I've taken all the tomato plants out, as you can see. Cleared this area out. There was actually more than 2 here. I'll show you in a second how many there was. I've left this one there for now. I'm going to try and see if I can put some bamboo stick up there and keep it upright. Try and see if I can save that plant. And I'll try and sort them out as well, see if I can put some more sticks there and give them extra protection. But for now, this patch is clear. Let me show you what I've got. Actually, just come with me. You're going to be surprised how many there was. Look at that, guys. Look how many we got. Unbelievable. It's a shame that these had to come out. What can I do? That's nature for you. The storm left me no choice. Let me give you a close-up. Look how big these plants were. All these tomatoes. I'm going to harvest these later. But I guess we're going to be having a Tenga curry with these. And I'll give these out to, as always, to friends and family. And I'll put updates on my Instagram page. It's at allotment.25. But yep, good old traditional Bangladeshi Tenga curry with these lovely green tomatoes. It's still windy, but let's go and try and save the other ones now, shall we? So as I said before, these ones we're going to try and save. I'm going to put new support structures in there to keep them upright and secure them from any further strong winds. And it's basically via these bamboos. They are extra thick and extra long, so I can dig them deeper into the ground and hopefully preserve these guys. Okay, let me get to work and I'll show you what I've done. Right guys, 45 minutes later, or was it an hour? I've lost track. It's still windy, but I think I've done, well, I've done something. It's a temporary fix, as you can tell, so don't judge. Next year hopefully it'll be better, but for now I've put in these extra structures. You call it structures, but technically they're just bamboo sticks, and I've tied the tomato plants to them, so they look a lot better now, a lot more straight and upright than they were before. Have a look there. So fingers crossed, touch wood, that they are safe and secure for the rest of the season. And like I said, next year I'll put in some proper wooden structure. I've also done something similar to the other ones, not to all of them, just to these. I've put in extra bamboo sticks and I've tied them to it. I'm sure you noticed as I've been walking around, there's a lot of red, juicy red tomatoes here, all ready for harvest. Especially these beef tomatoes that I've been keeping my eye on. So it would be wrong of me not to harvest these while I'm here. So let's do that. I am also going to be taking these off as well, but let's start with these first. Normally I do snip them off with my scissors, but today let's see if I can just snap them off with my hand. Well, actually that was quite easy. Oh my god, look at these two guys. Wow, I am genuinely so impressed and happy with these two. Like I said last time, I've never had beef tomatoes, so I'm looking forward to these two. I still got another one on there. Let's get some more, shall we? What's the best way to approach these? I tell you what, let's go for the larger ones to begin with. We've taken the small ones in the past, but let's grab the larger one. So here's a good one here. Just a... well, actually it's not as easy as I thought it would be. It doesn't want to come off. Okay, it was a bit of a struggle, but look at that. Wow, proper shop market quality. Beautiful. Let's get some more. Let's get this one. This is fairly red. Done. Yes, here we go. Mate, I fell on the ground. How dare you? How about this one? Yep, just came off. Ah, beautiful. Let's grab you. What about that one? Let me just move that. There you go. Yep, you're coming, mate. Oh my god, they're just falling off the ground. There we go. There you are. You can go over there. Shall we grab this one? Yeah, it would be rude not to. There you go. Look at that. The other red ones, they seem to be fairly inside, so it's going to be difficult for me to record and harvest at the same time. So as always guys, let me crack on. The wind is back, but let me crack on and I'll show you the results. The wind just doesn't want to calm down. Unbelievable. But anyway, I've taken all the red tomatoes off there. All that's left is the green ones. and just a few slightly red ones, so we let them ripen a little bit more. Let's deal with these ones first, and then I'll show you them all together. It's still very windy, but the tomato harvest for now is done. From this sadness here, we've got these greatness. Isn't that amazing, guys? Look at all these green, red tomatoes. Fantastic. So many. Imagine if that's what I've got from the plants that fell down, with so many plants still in the ground. Imagine what the harvest is going to be. I can't wait to pick all of the tomatoes later in the year. So grateful for these. But if you think that's impressive, watch this. Boom! Look at those. Look at these red jewels. These are the beef tomatoes. Wow. These came from the plants that are still in the ground. And like I said, there's so many still on the plants. The harvest is going to be great. There's just so much here for one family. I'm going to have to share. I guess a lot of my friends and family, they're going to be having Tenga curry. Because these green tomatoes are absolutely perfect for a traditional Bangladeshi Tenga curry with fish. Enjoy your Tenga curry, everyone. Courtesy of Allotment 25. Just continue to show me your love and support with a like, share and subscribe. Let's continue to grow this together. Before I call it a day today, there's something I want to show you. Come with me. Let's go over to the Sangari together. Look at that. Looking beautiful. I wanted to show you guys this. Wait for it. Look at that. That's a Fathi Laow. It's not fully developed. It's still young. But imagine if it looks like this now, what it's going to look like when it's fully developed. Brilliant. I can't wait to see the progress on this one. The other update I want to show you is one of my Kodu Laos. It's here. I don't know if you can tell from this angle or not, but look, the vine, for whatever reason, has died. So this isn't going to grow anymore. So I've decided, even though it's a fairly small one, I'm going to harvest it today. Otherwise it might just die. But I'm not really sure how or why the vine has died, whether I accidentally stepped on it or I don't know, who knows, but it's happened. Let's deal with it. So technically this is going to be the first harvest of a Kodu of Allotment 25. So this is a milestone for me. I'm just going to snip it from the vine. Hopefully it doesn't damage. Okay, it needs 2 snips. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, let me just bring it out into the open. Look at that, guys. First Kodu of Allotment 25. Isn't that beautiful? It's not the largest, but I'm sure it's going to be tasty. Thank you. I'm so grateful. That's me done for the day. I'm taking all these blessings with me As always, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate your support. Please continue to do so by giving me a like, share and subscribe. Let's continue to grow this together. Until next time, look after yourself. Take care. All the best. Bye bye.